Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to leave a comment on Reddit, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should find the post that you want to comment to. Tap on this button in the middle of the screen, and as you can see at the bottom of the page there is a text box saying add the comment. So click on it, and now you are ready to type in your comment. If you are done with your comment, then you need to press the button reply that you can find on the right side of the screen. So tap on it. So now you have added your comment to this post. If you want to edit your comment, you need to press the button edit. Now you can change your comment to anything that you like, and then you press the button save in order to edit your comment. If you want to delete it, you need to press this three dots icon and tap the button delete, and repeat this step by tapping the button delete. So now your comment has been deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.